YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. I was back with another video for you guys, but today it is not a reaction video. You understand? First and foremost, I said big up to the Hideout Clothing. You may say, no, first of all, big up to the whole Trinidad for supporting the boy, because right now, based off a reaction video that I did for you guys, you understand me I say, and me love chat so much, you understand me I say, yo, what would it say? Play the clip, Tyree.
Hideout Clothing, yo, I want some of them clothes they won't have still another, because I know some admiration boss merchandise, but send some of the Hideout Clothing come and beat you and defeat them too, man. Cha. You know what that go? Yeah, you don't know it.
Yes, I said that. Then after I said that, the Hideout Clothing do so. Them do so. I said the boy some drip. So for they do a try and all real quick phone, you see me I say. You see me I say. Alright, come with us, we just do so. And them do so. Some of them must do so too. You understand what I'm trying to say to the people? Like out the video, subscribe to the channel for the new. You see me I say, oh my gosh. Let's see what I go on in the box. As you can see, the box still sealed. You understand me I say? They don't know the chap. So we bring out you don't know the chap. You can see what I go on, people. Like up the video. Tear up the like button. You see me I say? Yeah, man, I see what I go on for that box. You don't know now. We don't know anything already, you can see what I go on now. We don't say reaction video, so I'm going to lick you now, dog. You see me? You see me I say? I wish you don't be the reactor again. Remember the video, Meds Boss, me that about this, yeah. What the box you pull, man? A big one. My box is still. I wonder why night. In the heavy still, so it can't be too much. Then alright. Take a peek. Oh, alright. Pull the box. Yeah, put it just. There, put it. There, put the boys up. Take a next peek. Don't do it. That's so now. Boy, oh boy. Like a Christmas present from her. 3, 2, 1. Meet Jesus. So first of all, we see a heart right here, so you don't know that already, you know, people. We see a heart right here, so you know, people. Hold on the pause. Hold on the pause. The official logo. You know what that go. You see me I say? Can drop this out right now because my ear one douche. You don't know, so wait till the rest of the video, right? You don't know that already. Oh, I have to do the reaction boss in a hat. I'm going to start to be half thing in a hat now. You see me I say? Anyway, we see what's a garden, so you see me I say? Alright. We got that one shirt also. You see me? We got a couple drips in here, so we're gonna try them out with some fit. You understand me? I think it's like a 1 or 2 shirts. Let's see what's popping. You understand? We have a sticker. Is a sticker this? Trouble! We got a Hideout Clothing sticker. Trouble! Anyways, let me see what's popping. We got a couple shirts right here. We got a couple shirts. You understand? So we got 1, 2, 3 shirts right here. You understand? So I'm gonna drop the man with some fits right now. I'm gonna see what I got done. So watch that style there. Watch a bad try and all of my job phone. You did me I say right about now. I try to beat the hat and most of them as possible, so I don't know, go step outside with some fit for only. I might try and all don't come like them because YouTuber thing. You did me I say my thing bigger than that different. You did me I say, so we could step out the door for real. First right now, we'll see what I go on. Oh, nothing else in the box. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. We got a letter. Glad your package reached safe. Time to get busy. Welcome to the family. Thank you very much, Hideout Clothing. The Hideout Clothing. You understand me? I said, well on. Before I forget. And then me say, you know, so most of them based in Trinidad, but I'm living in the States and I got this in like 3 days. You understand me? I said, so. They have an online store. I'm telling you, people can find the Hideout Clothing. I say, if you come from Trinidad, most of them fall from Trinidad, so it's go easier for you. You understand me? So information that you need for cop the Hideout Clothing drip. You understand me? I say right now, wish we get two hoodies still, but nah, like, because it soon starts snow over here, so but that different. Anyways, you don't have the part 2 of that. Hey! Alright. So right now, they're located in that Trinidad location, St. James Long Circular Mall. As me I say, on the 2nd floor over there, so in St. James, me I say Long Circular Mall in Trinidad, if you can find them. Contact information 1-868-680-5910. Email address info@thehideoutclothing.com. You understand me? I say them website, remember online. You see me say you shop online right now, so say www.3Ws for una here. www.thehideoutclothing.com. You see me I say go check them out, people. You see me I say, and the owner, boss, big up yourself in the boss. Big up yourself, boss. Big up yourself! You understand me? I say, thank you very much. As me, I say, for the manager, Ricardo, aka Rick, big up yourself, set speed. As me, I say, we're Trinidad, so people go in the store, go ask Rick, you know, say, Tyrekevlogs, the Russian boss, in the store over Trinidad. As me, I say, go in the store over St. James, and Long Circular Mall, make him know, say, the Russian boss, send in there. They make you try them closing in people with some drip. With some drip. Hey, you know, watch me show that teaser before we go try the closing. Watch that style there. Can you think a joke thing? You think a joke thing?